I'm Evelyn Bonella and I'm an actress. And while everyone else seems to be talking about the hustle and how easy it is to get rich quick, basically, these days, I'm wondering why I'm still in my give it all away for free era. And that's partly because I've been on a spiritual journey, and maybe that's not cool these days, but here are the three things I learned from that: it's innovation, transformation, and resilience. And I know they're kind of like frou-frou words and no one really knows what they mean. But the truth is, they're the things that helped me overcome COVID experiences, the industry strikes last year, and a brain injury where I was kicked by a horse. And they were pretty life-changing events for me. And I could say they held me back. And I'm wondering why, I'm not reaping this huge success that I was destined for, that are part of my resolutions and all the rest of it. But here's the thing, that if everything I'm aligned for is meant to come to me and I'm in the right place at the right time, then giving it all away for free just connects me with that spiritual and, you know, the good optimism and abundance and manifestation and gratitude for everything that I have. Because there's a certain amount of flexibility that we need to achieve. And this is something that Tony Robbins, who's a great life coach and motivational speaker, talks about, in that although you have to set a goal and you need that gap between something to aspire to, stretch to, grow to, reach to, it can cause a certain amount of anxiety around, you know, what if it's not happening, or what is it that I'm not quite with, that I'm lacking, that that I haven't quite achieved yet. And the realization is that it's a flexibility between being grateful for what you have, knowing that you've got enough, everything's there where it should be, right place, right time, right setting, right scene, rather than the if only. And that through that comes a greater understanding of oneself and what it is to be human. Because I think there's almost a fear or a predisposition to numb ourselves from the human experience. And it's such a joy to get up every day. I get to be here, I get to share this with you. I'm not just giving it away for free. I'm just not talking about things that I'm not gatekeeping anymore. I get to do this. So the one thing I want to say to you is this. Actually, come closer, because I just want to whisper this to you. You are absolutely and undeniably the best thing ever lived. And the only way to know how good you are is to go out and prove it. Remember, giving it away for free is the same as being free. So just go and enjoy it all. Because what else are you going to do? Give up and cry in the corner?